How are you guys? I hope you are fine now. And because yesterday I will be making video on Hindi language, so today I will be making video on English language. So I will be completely tell you how to be complete to be this game, Save the Pets game about. Okay, and be carefully completely watching my video and don't skip now because I give you first of all many of tips and tricks because sometimes people not to be understand how to complete to be this game, but I will be explaining you how to be complete to be easily know this game. And just to be completely watching my video, and please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I need it to be want to be helping to you every time every day. So just only you telling me on my comment section and you will be easily complete to be this game. Game measure depth. So let's start this game. Guys, I'm be already download this game and I will be explain to you how to be complete to be this game measure depth. Because some of time many people not to be understand, but I will be give you best and nice strategy how to complete to be this game measure depth. Guys, most of all like the best options like the more earnings these options because this option is so much important for you because many of people know to be sometime understand he playing this game but he not know about this option. So guys, you will be only watching one of the ads and you will be earn double screen. Checking on this game. Checking on this stage now, like we starting minutes. So this is the more benefit you checking on this game. Let's start now. How much I will be coins earn now? Checking on this option before you watching be purchasing this meter depth. Okay. Oh my god. So don't be skip now like be ads now, okay? Guys, you will be never to be skip these ads and before every time to be watching your these ads now, okay? Because just only just finish the ads now, then I will be explain you. So guys, this is the big reason I will be explaining you because this is the more option. If you click on this stage and then you will be double coins, you will be easily earn now because this is the more benefit. And before you also to be X5 option, don't skip now because X5 option so much important for you. And before every time when you will be receiving X5 ads, you will be watching one of the ads like with 30 seconds you will be coin triple coins. And before you will be purchasing no more pits not to be there because maximum like be 50 to 70 more pits you will be purchasing now. then you starting this game, because then you will be easily complete to be this game meter there, because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain you how to complete to be this game meters. And every time to be watching these ads now, because more you will be earn more periods, because this is the more important for you. And before last options I tell to you, these options every time you will be watching now, these options, because this is the more important option, this offline earning. Because if you have 180 minutes, so you will be easily purchasing now more like the offline minutes, because this is the more important for you. If you have many minutes, so then you will be easily earn coins offline if you're not playing this game. And then if you have a 180 minutes offline, so then if you not to be playing 3 hours and before your internet active, so then you will be bonus coins earn now offline, earn coins now. So this is the more important options also to be offline earning. So first of all, you more pits, maximum 50 to 70 purchasing no, then offline 180 minutes purchase no, and then start now your meters there. So I hope you will be enjoy this video, and just to I try to be explain you how to complete to be easily this game. I give you best strategy plan, so I hope you will be understand what I am asking to you. So thank you so much for you watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.